What's up, guys? We're back here in the studio with Mountain Dew pro skater Paul Rodriguez. Round of applause.
Thank you, thank you.
And Paul, first off, congrats on first today. Another round of applause for that.
Thank you very much. Feel very good. I'm happy about it, so it's cool.
And I was with you at X Games, and I feel like I've seen you all summer long at the events. Do you have any downtime in between each contest?
I mean, I skate a lot every day, so I guess downtime for me is just being at home and skating. My great sponsors, Target and Mountain Dew and Nike, contributed and built me this beautiful palace, skate palace, so I'm just in there skating and loving it.
You mentioned Nike for a second. Fifth shoe.
Yeah.
What's going on there?
My fifth shoe just dropped last weekend. It feels really great. Skate's wonderful. Hope everyone who gets it enjoys it and check it out.
And you got the new SB commercial in Barcelona.
Yeah, doing the commercial was really fun. A little stressful at times, as you can see in the commercial. All that's real. A lot of stress in there because if everything's coming too easy, you're not challenging
There's
yourself
a lot on the
enough.
line. That was a big Switch 180 heel flip
Thanks.
at the end.
Yeah,
you guys got to watch this commercial if you haven't seen it already.
Thanks.
It's online. I know you guys did a new Mountain Dew commercial as well. Tell us about that.
Being a big fan of martial arts films and Bruce Lee and all that type of stuff, we just want to pay a little homage to those films that inspired me so much over the years and kind of make it fun. Not like we weren't being like super serious about it, but it was real fun, good skating, good time.
Right on, Paul. I know you're a busy guy. Thanks for coming by today. Another round of applause for Paul Rodriguez coming on today's show.
Thank you.